Welcome to your IsiXhosa Lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lesson with me, Kolping Mbumba. Today we are covering one of my favorite words actually in the IsiXhosa language. The word is Sqha'mnqundu. Ever heard of Sqha'mnqundu? Well, Sqha'mnqundu is an extremely sophisticated swimming technique proudly created in the Eastern Cape. Executed with absolute Xhosa elegance, Sqha'mnqundu is aesthetically breathtaking to swim and to watch, respectively, baba. Both, it doesn't matter. Now, swimming in Sqha'mnqundu includes untywila, emanzini, ulele, ngesisu, and then periodically putting out umnqundu wakho to pop out on the surface for like between 2 to 4 seconds each time. And Sqha'mnqundu, the word itself, Sqha'mnqundu, is a combination of two beautiful IsiXhosa words. It's the word Qha, which means only, and the word Mnqundu, which means as, buti, indutu. Now, professional Sqha'mnqundwists are able to do this in synchronicity, my guy. Do Sqha'mnqundu in synchronicity as a group, and they do this thing where they pop out the mnqundu, rhythmically. It's so beautiful to watch. You have to see it. Now, because Xhosa is so deep and so vast, there are some parts in the Eastern Cape that use the word Sqha'mnqundu to refer to a person or the action of riding a horse or a donkey facing backwards. So if the donkey is going this way, if you ride it facing this way, we call that Sqha'mnqundu. In some areas, it's used as a swear word. Yeah, it's used as a swear word in some areas in the Eastern Cape. So you can say to a person, so in this instance, it's an overly emphasized emphasis on umnqundu wakho. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.